From a company called GR Agritech. We are associated with Raghu sir. My name is also Raghu and he is also Raghu sir. So we are associated with them because wherever organic farming is done, we are giving some products called pest traps. So particularly since there are a lot of fruit trees like mango, lychee, guava, all these things, there is a pest particularly which affects these fruit based plants. It is called as fruit fly. And fruit fly, as you can see, some of them are flying around. Okay, this is like a small. It will be like a normal fly. It looks like a normal fly. This is that insect, fruit fly. Okay, this fruit fly, what it does is it will make the plant itself as a host, and it will also make the fruits as the host. Meaning, the females will lay their eggs on the using the flowers of the plant, using the leaves of the plant, using the fruit of the plant. So what it does is thrives on the contents of the plant, especially the fruit-based plants. So what it does is because of that, it will damage at the time of flowering. It will damage the flowers. At the time of fruitification, it will damage that. And even when the fruits are getting ripened, they become the host. The female will lay eggs inside the mango fruit. Because of this kind of fruit fly pest, the yield is reduced up to 25%. So you can say about out of 10, 2.5, 3 ton is wasted because of fruit fly. And especially if you are selling it to somebody, if they are marketing it to customers, the ripened fruit, if it is damaged, nobody would buy, right? So it is a loss for the farmers. It is not a good feeling for the consumers also. Even if you take, let us say, 1 dozen of fruit to your home and you find 4 or 5 damaged, what is the feeling that you will have, right? It's the same thing. So what we are trying to do is we are installing these pest traps wherein these fruit flies are getting attracted to it like this. There is a special formulation. Okay. So if you see a gel kind of thing, you can see, that yellow color thing. This gel has a special formulation to attract these fruit flies, especially the male insects. The male insects will get attracted, and inside we have some kind of a bioadhesive kind of thing. So when the flies get attracted, they will pass through this window. They get attracted because this, whatever is the formulation that we have, it will be emitted into the air. Like we can't smell. Like you put some kind of deodorant or a perfume in one corner, we can smell, right? Humans can do. Similarly, the special formulation, whatever is being emitted to the atmosphere, these are being felt by the male insects. They can sense it. This is a very special thing. It is called pheromone. It's a pheromone for attracting the male insects of fruit fly. So we have done that, and when we keep it like this, they get attracted and they get trapped inside, and about, let's say, in one season you will have about 100, 200 of them trapped in each thing. So you need about 1 acre of the land. You need about 4 to 5 traps to be put. Approximately, thumb rule, every 10 trees you put 1 trap. It is more than enough, because these fruit flies will keep flying around. They will not be stationary. They will not be confined to one tree or one plant. So they will be flying around. So the idea is to trap them. So this methodology is not 100% eradication of fruit fly. It is not. And we strongly believe that there should not be 100% eradication of any kind of pest. If we eradicate 100%, what will happen? The next generation will be more stronger. Correct, no? So maybe 70-80% eradication will happen. Rest 20%, if the damage is also there, it is minimum. It is natural. It should be there in a natural process. That is what is idea. Okay.
Thank you.